Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today what we're going to be looking at is how we can quickly identify all these blank cells. We can see that within our data we have quite a few NAs and quite a few of these little dashes and things like that. So if we just want to have a quick look at these and see if there's any anomalies or anything that we want to take out, we can hold the Control Shift and L, and by pressing that we bring up the filter at the top here. We can also go up to data and click on the filter button there, but I just prefer using the shortcut. And by dropping this down, we can have a quick look at all the different selections. We can see that we've got NAs within there. So one thing that we could do quickly is take out the NAs. We could do that by quickly selecting the column like so, holding Control and F, and then bring up the Find and Replace. We can click on the Replace, and I always like to click the cell and just copy it over just to make sure that I'm getting exactly what it is, and just the Replace all just to make that there. We can see that at the same time as doing that, it's also brought up this little line here, so we can click that. But what I'm going to do is, because I know that's not all of them within that, we're just going to take off the filter again by again pressing the Control Shift and L. We can select the column and just go back into that Find and Replace. But this time we're just going to change that for the dash. And copy that over. We'll take that, copy the dash over, and just replace all. And we'll just quickly have a look within this column, see if there's anything else that kind of quickly stands out. So we've got that potentially, and that should be about it, just to clean that data up for us there. So if we take that, press the Control and F, and there we go. So now that we have the data all cleaned up, we have all these blank spaces that we want to have a look at, and we want to be able to highlight these as quickly as possible. So what we can do is we can press Control and A and select all the data that we have there. We can see that we have quite a big data down the side here that's kind of missing, and we've got big data sets down here and here that are missing. Once we've done that, we can press Control and G, and this will bring up the Go To box like so. From here, we want to click onto the special, select blanks, and click OK. And we can see now that this has brought up all of these blank cells and all of this down the side here into one big kind of highlighted thing. If we select the Home tab and then select the fill or whatever fill color we want, that will now select and color in all of our different blank cells like so. Just for the ease of the demonstration, I'll get rid of column I just quickly for this one. So if once you've done this, then you're a little bit kind of like, how many actual blank cells is there? What you can do is press the equals and then type in count, and you can see within the drop down menu here we have quite a few options. So just pressing the arrow keys up and down, and the one that you want is the count blank option. So if you press tab onto that, we can see that it types it in for you with the open brackets. So once we have the count blank with the open brackets, then we can click into cell A1, holding Control Shift and then pressing the right direction button will take us across as far as we need to do, and then pressing the down button should take us all the way down to the bottom of the data set, hopefully with no gaps within the A column, as that's the first column. If there is any gaps within that, you can just keep pressing down until you know that you've hit the bottom of the data set like so, and then press enter, and that should show us that we have 136 blank cells within that data set in total. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you again soon.